For the last 6 years, I've been trying to become a profitable trader, and I still haven't made a single good result because of one thing I kept getting wrong. So here's what I'm doing. For the next 6 months, I'm going to document everything. Every trade, every win, every loss, every mistake. For one simple goal. Become a profitable trader before 2027. And if I don't make it, I'm shaving my head completely. I'm 24 years old, and after 6 years of trying, I still haven't made it as a trader. So I made a deal with myself. 6 months, July to December, I document everything. I fix what's broken and I become profitable. If I don't, I'm going bold. And trust me, I am not pulling off the bold look like some people do. Now, what does making it actually mean for me? 3 out of 6 months profitable and a positive P&L by December 31st. That's the target I'm shooting for. But here's the thing, if I hit that goal early by September or October, I'll buy a 100k FTMO account and go all in. You've probably heard the stats. 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. And honestly, it sounds terrifying, like a warning label on a cigarette pack. You know, the one that say if you smoke one more, you'll go blind, you'll lose your friends, your house, and your cat will die. I get why brokers put that out there, but I also think it works like reverse marketing. Tell someone something is nearly impossible and watch how many people line up to try it, because when something feels exclusive, you can be damn sure a lot of people will want to become that 1%. So before we go any further, let me break that stat down, because it's not the whole story. Let's start with, for example, 1 million traders. How many quit in the first 90 days? Probably half. That's 500,000 gone. People who open an account, blew it, and never came back. Of the 500,000 left, how many stick around for a full year? A lot of them will try every pattern they found on YouTube. Head and shoulder, cup and handle, support and resistance, realize none of it works alone and walk away. Let's say another 150,000 gone. Now we are at 350,000. Of those, how many actually find a real strategy, a real mentor, and commit fully? Here's where life gets in the way: kids, work, a house, weekends on the couch, thinking about changing your life instead of actually doing it. Let's cut that in half again. 175,000 people left. And that's roughly 20%. Half of them make it to break even or profit, the other half lose money in the long run. But here is what that actually tells you. It's not that trading is impossible. It's that most people quit, get distracted, or never fully commit. So the real question isn't whether you're good enough. It's whether you're obsessed enough. So the market doesn't care about any of that. It doesn't care if you're consistent, if you're motivated, if you had a bad week. It just moves 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, non-stop. So here's what actually matters. 3 steps, simple one. Treat it like any other business. It has expenses, it has profits, it has lessons, nothing special about it. The moment you make it feel elite and exclusive is the moment your ego starts making your trading decision. And that never ends well. Don't care if it's raining, snowing, or your car broke down, you need to be consistent for it to work. If out of 365 days you only worked on trading for half of them, you can say you've tried. And I'll use myself as an example. I don't spend a lot of time on trading. I just analyze the market in the morning, at noon, and in the afternoon. I trade swings, so it's more manageable for me. But the point is, you need to choose a strategy that fits your actual situation. I work shifts, so if my strategy required me to trade the London session, I get no value from it. Half the time I'm not even home. Sometimes I work full days and I need something I can set up in about an hour, not 3 minutes, because I don't always get that window. That's why I work with limit orders instead of market execution, even though my win rate would probably be higher the other way. If your strategy worked in backtesting, leave it alone. Don't change it because you saw something better online, you're scared the setup looks different, or you think the market has changed. You can only make those calls after 6 months of consistent forward testing with 0 shortcuts. Become a machine, follow the system, and analyze the result. And this thing right here, step 3, is the one thing I kept getting wrong. Every single time things got hard, I changed something, and that's why after 6 years I'm still here, starting over. Trading isn't as hard as they make it look. The 90% who fail, most of them quit, most of them never really committed. So if you're still here, still trying, you are already ahead of most people who ever opened a trading account. I need to ask you one thing, drop a comment below. How has your trading journey gone and where are you at right now? I read every single one and it actually helped me understand who's watching this journey with me and how to get better. That's episode 1. Next month I'll show you exactly how it went, the trades, the results, and whether I'm already behind or ahead of where I need to be. See you there.